Let's see four stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock we have is ONGC. If you look at the stock, currently stock is bang on the daily support level. Talking about the breakout, I do not see that is happening in tomorrow's session. The main reason for it is mediocre trading volumes in today's session. What I can see is that the stock is expected to rebound for this particular price range, denoted by this two strong bullish candle. So tomorrow we could see a decent size position grabbing in upside for ONGC. The second stock for tomorrow's session is Grasim Industries. If you look at the daily chart of the stock, you can see that the Grasim was trading above its daily support level for last week or two. In today's session, it made a extremely strong bullish candle. Rather, in consecutive session from Tuesday to Wednesday, the volumes are also more than average, which gives us more hope and confidence that the stock is going to break out. If it break out, I can see it can have a stronger breakout and it might fight a support over here, which is the low of this particular candle. So tomorrow we are looking to sell in Grasim Industries. Third stock we have is Tata Motors. If you see the daily chart, just observe these three candles. The stock is trading between these three candles and it has developed a kind of a support level, which is the current market price, and it stands at 105.60. So this is an extremely important level. I do not see this level being broken in tomorrow's session solely because of this particular candle over here, and also the general direction with how Tata Motors is moving. So in tomorrow's session we could see the target going as high as 112.45. One more thing I forgot to mention. Can you see the volumes? The volumes are off the charts. You don't see this kind of volume often in any stock for that matter. So which signifies that there are strong sell buyers present in the stock in this particular zone. So you could be better off buying at the support level in Tata Motors. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Mahanagar Gas. In daily chart, Mahanagar Gas Limited made consecutive bearish candle. Although volumes are declined for today's session, which implies the losing momentum in downside. One thing that could be attributed to this loss in momentum is Mahanagar Gas is currently trading on its support level, and you can see there is a large demand candle over here. The Not only the size of the candle is huge, the volumes are astronomical, which means that we could see a rebound in tomorrow's session. So get ready to buy in Mahanagar Gas in tomorrow's session. If you want to know all the important levels in the four stocks I mentioned for tomorrow's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.